Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be covering a tall cake. So if you want to know how I covered that tall cake, make sure you're gonna watch this video till the very end. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome to this channel. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel as we have amazing recipes to share with you guys. For my returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you guys for always coming through for your girl. So right here is my fondant. I'm trying to roll it out so I can cover the cake. For my fondant recipe, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. I have shared a lot of fondant recipes. I've shared the one you can prepare with 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. So if you're interested in watching the fondant recipe, it will be in the description box. Please do well to watch it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up if you have not given it a thumbs up. I mean, like this video so that other people can as well benefit from this video. Hey guys, always remember to measure your fondant. As you're rolling it out, make sure your tape is by the side. The first thing you do is to take the measurement of the cake, the height of the cake, and the size of the cake. As you're rolling out the fondant, you also take the measurement of the fondant so to enable you roll out the fondant that can cover the cake properly without tear. This is a 9 inches cake, 4 layers. It is a fruit cake. So I'm going to be covering this cake with the upside down method because the cake is very high. It is 10 inches by height. So I'm going to flip it over. So guys, here we have the tall cake beautifully covered with the fondant. If you have watched this video to this particular time, I really do appreciate you for supporting your girl. Please do well to ask your questions in the comment section, as I'm always open to answer them. And if you can share this video, please help me share this video so that other people can as well benefit from this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.